Thank you so much, Katlego. Yes, when it comes to fashion and design and this whole industry, it's not just about your beautiful designs, but it's also the fact that you need to protect all your bright ideas. It's claimed that the biggest fashion faux pas would be not to protect those beautiful ideas. In fact, your business needs to be protected. So in studio this morning, we have the best accessory you'll ever need when it comes to fashion and design. We've got a fashion lawyer. Sumaiya De'Mar is in studio with us this morning on your Feel Good Breakfast Show. Sumaiya, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Ilana.
Now, we're talking about fashion this morning. We're talking about not just the background of fashion and design, we're talking about protecting our designs and fashion. When it comes to a fashion lawyer, how does it differ from the traditional lawyer that we know?
Fashion law is a new branch of law that's just been created and recognized in the US, the UK, Australia, amongst other countries. So it basically is about intellectual property law, business and finance, employment and labor law, and media law, and even real estate.
So we've just been talking about Design Miami and the show. We've spoken about the designers that exhibited. What would these designers' legal rights be to safeguard their rights effectively?
These designers are protected in terms of copyright law. So they don't need to register their copyright. It arises automatically as long as their artwork is original and recorded in material form, for example, a painting or a sculpture.
Okay, so it has to be physical in order to be protected?
Yes.
Okay. And then artists and designers, we often talk about intellectual property. We also talk about copyright infringement. Can you give me a breakdown what these terms mean? I mean, what does it mean for us in the world of design and fashion?
Intellectual property is the product of a person's mind, and this is protected by law in 4 ways in South Africa. So patents protects inventions, trademarks protects the marketing aspect of your business, like your logo and your business name. Copyright protects the original artwork of artists, designers, etc. And design law protects the aesthetics of a registered design. So, for example, the fashion industry, you could register your dress and have it protected for 15 years.
Really awesome. Copyright infringement, what does that mean?
Copyright infringement is basically having your rights violated or copied where your work is reproduced in any form or manner.
Yeah, we know a few of those. Okay, so these are unique challenges that we, I guess, face in South African fashion and design, and we want to protect everyone. It's something that our designers face every day. If you can give us some top tips, I mean, you're a lawyer, you know and understand all of this. What do we do? I mean, give us some top tips of how to protect our designs and not have us have legal setbacks.
Okay, firstly, a confidentiality agreement is key. You need this in place to have all of your potential partners to sign. Secondly, read everything, every contract, even the fine print. I know most people don't, but you need to do it. Negotiate, don't accept anything at face value. And lastly, make sure that your business is compliant. Register your business, register your designs, trademarks as much as you can.
Oh, well, I didn't even know that there's something out there that protects even our designs and all those beautiful things that you create as a South African fashion designer. Sumaiya, thank you so much for joining us on our Feel Good Breakfast Show this morning. Amazing moments as we are protecting your brand and also all the beautiful things that you create and taking your business and I guess your goals also to the very next level. This is your Feel Good Breakfast Show. What is coming up next, Miss Leigh-Anne?